What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix messenger theme AI option not showing. Now your messenger theme AI option not showing. Okay, let's start it. Follow my all step. Now we'll go back. Now first your phone settings. Now click your phone settings. Scroll down now. Now click app. Now search your messenger. Now click your messenger. Scroll down now. Now click your phone storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click permission. Now your all permission. Go back. Now click your Google Play Store. Now click Play Store app. Now search your messenger. Now click your messenger. Now your messenger update. My messenger already updated. Go back. Now phone you restart. My phone you restart. Now your phone restart. Go back. Now open your messenger. Now click your messenger theme. Now click theme. By doing your process, your problem successful. And thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my channel.